Animal box office collection day 7 early estimates. The Ranbir Kapoor starrer witnesses a slight drop, collects 15.13 crore. Sandeep Reddy Vanga's second Bollywood film, Animal, after Kabir Singh, has been breaking all records at the box office. The film stars Ranbir Kapoor in the lead role. As of Wednesday, Animal had accumulated a domestic net revenue of 312.96 crore. On its seventh day in theaters, the film exhibited strong occupancy during morning and afternoon shows, resulting in an additional earning of 15.13 crore. This brings the total domestic collection of the film to 328.48 crore. Globally, the movie has amassed a total collection of 527.6 crore within 6 days, according to T-Series, the production company behind the film.